Hello and welcome to the Canada for Camel Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition we look at the New Jersey Supreme Court case of State versus AM, where the court held that the defendant knowingly waived the Miranda after a Spanish translation. Now here there was an issue and they reversed the Appellate Division because he said the police officer who did it was not 100% accurate. So the Supreme Court held here that although the better practice would have been to read aloud the form's waiver portion to the defendant, the court relies on the trial court's well-supported observations and factual findings and reversed the Appellate Division. Generally, they give greater reference to what the trial court looked at. And the Supreme Court here held that to ensure that a person is subject to custodial interrogations adequately and effectively apprised of their rights, the United States Supreme Court had developed the Miranda warnings. The administration of the Miranda warnings ensures that a defendant's right against self-incrimination is protected. A waiver must be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary in light of the circumstances surrounding the custodial interrogation. So the courts rely on factors such as the subject's age, education, intelligence, advice as to constitutional rights, length of detention, whether the questioning was repeated or prolonged in nature, and whether the physical punishment or mental exhaustion was involved. But here they found the failure of the detective to read aloud the Miranda rights form did not improperly shift the burden of proof to the defendant, and because they gave it to him in Spanish. To eliminate questions about a subject's understanding, the Miranda form should be read aloud to a subject being interrogated, or the subject should be asked to read the form aloud. Where it's not done, the subject will be asked about his or her literacy and educational background. However, here the Supreme Court said the defendant knowingly waived their Miranda rights, and that's State versus AM, citation 237 NJ 384, 2019 case. For other information on New Jersey cases, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. And for representation, contact Catherine Cameron's office in Edison at 732-572-0500.